Hi there. You want to learn German, but you don't have so much time and so much money for a language course? Then you are in the right place. With my personalized and accelerated German lessons, you can learn German very easily and affordably. Let's take a look at this A1 lesson with me.
Hallo, meine Vorname ist, mein Familienname ist. Ich bin 28 Jahre alt. Ich komme aus Aserbaidschan. Ich bin Buchhalterin. Meine Muttersprache ist Aserbaidschanisch. Ich spreche sehr gut Türkisch und ein bisschen Deutsch.
Mein Vorname diyek.
Mein,
Meine
mein,
demeyek çünkü böyle
mein
kişi cinsli
Vorname
sözlü.
ist
Mein Vorname, mein Familienname. As you can see, it's really easy to learn German language. For scheduling lessons with me, just drop a message. If you are interested in personalized and accelerated German lessons with me, which are really affordable, you can contact me clicking here, and we have options here: Gmail, Instagram, Telegram, and so on. Hurry up, because the lessons are limited. Thank you very much. See you. Bye.